Okay, for ceramic coating we used a new towel, and first it's more important to prepare and degrease the polish. We're using a Sonax profiling ceramic coating prepare. And careful, we preparing gently and softly. We are finished with the first cleaning and degrass onto the all polished car. And second stage, it's ceramic base to applicate. This is of the Sonax applicator. We have 3 applicators onto the one packet, and we are used a base coat on Sonax. We are used now a new towel. And now will look like color of the rainbow, and this is a curing time when we gently take off all the base coat of the ceramic. We use a new one, a pet on Sonax set, and we are starting with gloss coat on Sonax. The curing time is the most specific on the Sonax CC coat because it's not so dry to wipe with a towel, and we will must to waiting a long time.